Good morning student. I am going to teach you about the gametogenesis of human being. So, in this gametogenesis, it is the process by which male and female sex cells or gametes, that is sperms or ova, form in the gonads respectively of male and female testes and ovary. It means the sex organs male and female sex organs, testes and ovaries. Testes produce the sperms and ovaries produce the ova. This process in which these are formed is known as gametogenesis. Firstly, we have seen about the spermatogenesis. We will teach you about the spermatogenesis. In spermatogenesis, production of sperms. So, in male, there is formation of the sperms by the process of gametogenesis. This process is known as spermatogenesis. While in case of female, this process is known as the oogenesis. So, firstly, we will see about the spermatogenesis. Production of sperms in the seminiferous tubules. That second terms are spermiation. What is the spermiation? It is the releasing of sperms from the seminiferous tubules of males. All of you always and already should know about the male reproductive organ testis, and testis is made up of so many functional and structural units which are known as the seminiferous tubules, which are studied in previous classes. So, here it is the process of spermatogenesis. In this diagram, it is seen here firstly in seminiferous tubules, the wall is lined by the spermatogonium. It is the first germinal layer. This first germinal layer is called the spermatogonium, and it converts into the spermatocyte after mitotic division, first division, and it is known as the primary spermatocyte after growth. After this primary spermatocyte, it undergoes meiotic division and form the secondary spermatocyte, and then secondary spermatocyte form the spermatid, and after the growth and maturation they convert into the spermatozoa. It means in this figure all the process of the spermatogenesis are seen, and these are the product of the spermatogenesis after the cell division. So, after spermatogenesis, it is the form the spermatozoa, which is the single cell gamete, and this gamete is haploid in condition, because here in the sex gonads meiotic division is found. After meiotic division the cells are formed. These are the haploid in nature. So, this spermatogenesis we will study in detail here in the flow chart. First, primordial germ cell, which are lined by the seminiferous tubules, and these primordial germ cells are known as the spermatogonium. Firstly, you see it is the three phases which are present in the spermatogenesis. First phase is multiplication phase, second phase is growth phase, and third phase is the maturation phase. In the first multiplication phase, the primordial germ cell undergoes mitotic division and form the spermatogonium, undergoes mitosis division and form the spermatogonia, and there is the number of chromosomes is 46. It means it is the diploid in condition. After this, it undergoes maturation after the nourishment which are provided by the nourishes by the Sertoli cells which are seen in the diagram. Then after the growth, after the maturation, it change into the primary spermatocyte. Then this primary spermatocyte have the number of chromosomes 46. it means diploid in condition, and it is the growth phase. Then this growth phase and this primary spermatocyte undergoes first meiotic division, it is the maturation phase. So, it is the first maturation phase and second maturation phase involve the meiotic division, in which the number of chromosomes of the parental cell divide into the half number of chromosome cells to the parent. So, here 46 number of chromosomes reduced to the become 23 in number. So, here also primary spermatocyte diploid condition and it undergoes first meiotic division, and after first meiotic division the number of chromosomes are reduced. So, it is written here n, and it means it is the 23, and it is called the secondary spermatocyte. The product is formed which are known as the secondary spermatocyte. Then this secondary spermatocyte goes to the second maturation phase and it involves the second meiotic division, and after the second meiotic division the structure is formed by spermatids. It consists of 23 number of chromosomes, and then after the nourishment and after the development and growth, and it forms the male gamete which are known as the spermatozoa. It is finally formed in the male gonads, testis, and it is the structure of the seminiferous tubules which shows this spermatogenesis phases. So, here spermatogenesis involve 3 phases. First is multiplication phase, second is growth phase, and third is maturation phase. First, multiplication involve mitosis and form the spermatogonia. Then growth phase, only here no any division is found, mitosis or meiosis. So, it is formed the primary spermatocyte. Then this primary spermatocyte goes to the maturation phase, first maturation phase, and it is the haploid in nature, and then it forms the 23 number of chromosomes. So, after becomes first meiotic division, secondary spermatocyte is formed. Then this secondary spermatocyte undergoes second meiotic division and form the spermatids, and it consists of 23 number of chromosomes, and then it is undergoes the maturation and division and growth, then form the finally spermatozoa. So, after the spermatogenesis, the formation of the spermatozoa, it is the male gamete of the human being which are produced in the male sex organs which are known as the testes, or sex organs are also called the sex gonads. In this figure, these cells are seen here. These cells give the nourishment to the developing gametes. Developing gametes means spermatozoa. It is the Sertoli cells.